Buderus Logamax is not working, error code 2F, subcode 271. The manual says this means, temperature difference between safety and supply sensors too much or no temperature increase after starting the burner. They have a step-by-step, including checking service cocks are open and measuring the system PSI, etc. But I don't know what these are. Thank you for any help.
If you switch to manual, does the burner start?
Manual? Not sure how to do that. We'll look at manual, instructions, and see how to do this. Thanks.
On front of control on lower left. Sorry, I meant lower right.
Hi, sorry, not sure how JustAnswer works. My first time. It seems I closed this question by accident. It's asking me for a tip, but nothing is solved on my end. Just to repeat, manual mode has not fixed the problem. Manual mode shows the same error code 2F/271. Temp sensor 77 degrees, 32 psi.
Sorry, had to go to oil leak. The burner doesn't run in manual mode? I am not sure what to do next, so I will opt out so another expert can try.
Thanks for trying. This was my first experience, and I can see the potential of JustAnswer.
I don't know where to write this. I want to close my question. A plumber I had called earlier suddenly dropped by, as he was heading home. He diagnosed the problem as a bad sensor. He will install a new sensor on Monday and we'll see if it fixes this. Regardless, I don't want to waste anyone's time until we see if that does the trick. Thanks. Update: it was indeed a bad sensor. The HVAC guy noticed that the error message reads a difference in temp between input and output, but that there was no heat at either point. No difference in temp. Therefore, there must be a problem with the sensor itself. The HVAC guy did some reading on a testing device, voltmeter, and noticed that the sensor seemed to give an incorrect result. Regardless, he bought a new sensor, installed it, and everything is working now. He also fixed some other things, and the whole repair cost $850. Extremely expensive for a bad sensor.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.